It's 2024, and the DeFi landscape is more exciting than ever. New projects are popping up left and right. But today, we're focusing on one that's really making waves: AERODROME Finance. AERODROME Finance aims to be the main liquidity hub on the BASE network. As you know, in the crypto industry, first mover advantage counts for a lot, and that's what AERODROME Finance hopes to capitalize on. So if you're looking to get involved in this project before it skyrockets as mass adoption on the BASE network leads to billions of liquidity pouring in, then don't miss this video. AERODROME was officially launched in August 2023 through a partnership with another project called Velodrome. Velodrome itself was launched just a year earlier in 2022 by Alexander Cutler. Together, they're aiming to be the main hub for liquidity on the BASE network and a major contender in the blockchain industry as a whole. So what exactly is AERODROME Finance? It's an automated market maker, or AMM for short, designed to enhance decentralized finance by addressing major challenges related to liquidity and user experience. In the world of DeFi, liquidity pools are crucial. They ensure a steady supply of assets for trading and utilization, serving as the backbone of these decentralized systems. AMMs use smart contracts and incentives to automate crypto trading, aiming to disrupt the traditional centralized exchange model. Their goal is to replace it with a more open and accessible decentralized exchange, or DEX model. Some popular AMMs on the market include Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap. Now, AERODROME is not just any AMM. It's specifically tailored for the much-hyped BASE network. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about BASE? Well, it's part of something called the superchain ecosystem. This is important because this ecosystem of interconnected blockchains could effectively overcome the blockchain trilemma problem plaguing most blockchains. Apart from this, BASE is getting a lot of attention in the crypto world, and AERODROME is positioning itself to be the go-to trading platform on BASE. At the core of this system is the aero token. This is AERODROME's native cryptocurrency. You can lock up your aero tokens for a certain period of time. When you do this, you get something called VE aero in return. Think of VE aero as a special membership card. The longer you lock up your aero, the more powerful your membership becomes. But this VE aero isn't just a regular token. It's actually an NFT. Each VE aero NFT represents your locked aero and gives you voting rights on the platform. As a VE aero holder, you get to have a say in how AERODROME runs. You can vote on things like fee changes, new features, or how rewards are distributed. This governance model is designed to keep AERODROME decentralized and community-driven. It ensures that the users have a real say in how the platform evolves, and it's a far cry from traditional finance, where decisions are made behind closed doors by a small group of executives. As we've hinted already, one of the most interesting aspects of AERODROME is its role in the BASE ecosystem. AERODROME is working closely with the BASE team to improve liquidity and trading options on the network. They've even integrated something called public goods funding into their model. This means that 25% of AERODROME's voting power is reserved for projects that benefit the entire BASE ecosystem. As of early 2024, AERODROME handles about 30% of all trading volume on BASE. That's a significant market share for such a young project. And it shows that AERODROME is quickly becoming a go-to platform for BASE users. One of the main features of AERODROME is token swaps. This is how you can exchange one type of cryptocurrency for another. AERODROME's token swap process is pretty straightforward. First, you connect your crypto wallet to AERODROME. The project supports several options like Browser Wallet, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, and Safe. Once your wallet is connected, you can choose which token you want to swap and how much. Then you select what you want to receive in return. AERODROME will show you the exchange rate and any fees. If you're happy with the deal, you just hit swap. It's that simple. But AERODROME isn't just for trading. It's also a place where you can provide liquidity and earn passive income. This is where liquidity pools come in. AERODROME offers 4 pool types to suit different investor needs. There are active pools, which see a lot of trading activity. These can be more profitable, but also riskier. Then there are stable pools, which deal with stable coins. These are less volatile and are perfect for beginners. AERODROME also has incentivized pools, which offer extra rewards to attract more liquidity. And for those who like to take chances, there are low TVL pools. At the time of this video, AERODROME offers 126 different pools to choose from. That's That's a lot of options for investors. You can pick and choose based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. There are two main tokens in the Aerodrome ecosystem, AERO and VE-AERO. AERO is the primary utility token. You can trade it on exchanges, use it to pay fees on the platform, or lock it up to participate in governance. VE-AERO, as we discussed earlier, is the governance token. It's not a separate token you can buy. Instead, you get it by locking up your AERO. The amount of VE-AERO you receive depends on how long you lock your AERO for. The longer the lock, the more VE-AERO you get. When Aerodrome launched, they had a specific plan for distributing their tokens. A large portion, 40%, went to holders of VE-VELO tokens. This was a way to bootstrap the platform by attracting users from their partner project, Velodrome. Another significant chunk, 21%, was set aside for ecosystem development and public goods funding. The Aerodrome team received 14% of the tokens, but these aren't immediately available. They're locked up for 2 to 4 years. This aligns the team's interests with the long-term success of the project. 10% of the tokens were allocated for grants to other projects building on Aerodrome. The remaining tokens are being released slowly over time through emissions to liquidity providers and other users. Speaking of emissions, Aerodrome has a carefully planned token release schedule. It started with high emissions to kickstart activity on the platform. Over time, these emissions will gradually decrease. Eventually, the community will vote each week on whether to increase, decrease, or maintain the current emission rate. Meanwhile, Aerodrome received a significant boost in February 2024. The BASE Ecosystem Fund, led by CB Ventures, made a strategic investment in the project. This caused the price of the aero token to surge by over 140%. It was a strong vote of confidence from major players in the crypto industry. This investment didn't just affect Aerodrome's token price. It also changed how the broader crypto community perceives the project. It signaled that Aerodrome is seen as a key player in the BASE ecosystem, and this could lead to more partnerships and integrations in the future. Of course, like any investment, Aerodrome has its pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. First off, the potential returns are impressive. Aerodrome boasts an average annual percentage yield, or APY, of over 224%. That's significantly higher than what you'd get from traditional investments or even many other DeFi platforms. Another big plus is Aerodrome's low fees. They've worked hard to minimize costs for users. The platform also offers a wide variety of investment options with its 126 different pools. This allows you to diversify your investments and tailor your strategy to your needs. Security is another strong point for Aerodrome. They've inherited robust security measures from their partnership with Velodrome. This doesn't mean it's risk-free, but it does provide an extra layer of protection for your investments. However, it's important to be aware of the risks too. Like all DeFi projects, Aerodrome relies on smart contracts. While these contracts are audited and tested, there's always a small risk of technical issues or vulnerabilities. There's also the risk of impermanent loss. This is a complex topic, but in simple terms, it means the value of your deposited assets might change relative to each other over time. This can sometimes result in losses when you withdraw your funds. Another potential downside is Aerodrome's dependency on the BASE blockchain. While BASE is promising, it's still a relatively new network. If BASE encounters problems or fails to gain widespread adoption, it could impact Aerodrome's success. All in all, Aerodrome Finance represents an exciting development in the world of decentralized finance. With its offerings of high potential returns, innovative features, and the chance to be part of a growing ecosystem, Aerodrome is definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.